Are you tired of the endless cycle of spending? Do you feel like your paycheck disappears the second it hits your bank account? You're not alone. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in the spending frenzy. But what if I told you there was a way out? What if you could hack your way to wealth? It's time to ditch the debt and start building a future you can actually get excited about. Today, we're diving into the 6 most mind blowing money saving tips that will transform the way you think about money. These aren't your grandma's tips, they're based on psychology, strategy, and a whole lot of common sense. So let's get started. First step, it's all about the why. Understanding your motivation is the secret weapon in your money saving journey. It's not enough just to want to save money. You need to know why you're doing it. Is it for a dream vacation, a new car, or maybe just to have a sense of security? Your why must tap into your desires and dreams. Having this type of emotional connection to your savings goal is like an 8.0 liter quad turbocharged W16 engine driving you to make better financial choices. The second principle revolves around taming your impulses and putting a stop to the gotta have it now mentality. We live in a world of instant gratification where companies are constantly trying to exploit our desires. That's where the not now, but later list comes in. Instead of buying something on a whim, write it down and wait 30 days. Chances are that urge will pass. This can also work when you track your spending. So keep a list, use a tracker, and delay, delay, delay. Third, let's talk automation. The key here is to make saving effortless. Don't rely on willpower alone. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every time you get paid. Treat it like a self tax. A percentage of your income goes straight into savings before you even get a chance to think about spending it. This way, saving is built into your routine and not an afterthought. All right, money warriors, we've hit the halfway point and it's time for a brain break. If you're still watching and not scrolling through TikTok, that means this content is actually speaking to you. So do us a solid. Hit that like button like you're tracking a budget line item and subscribe to Savvy Sense Studio faster than a teen spends their allowance. Also, consider turning on notifications by clicking that bell. Think of it as your financial GPS, guiding you to money saving wisdom. Your future self will thank you. Now, back to the video. Fourth, get real about where your money is going. It's time to ditch the excuses and track your expenses. Even those small, seemingly insignificant purchases can add up to a lot over time. Break down a big savings goal into smaller daily actions. That $3 coffee, that daily lunch out, they could be costing you more than you realize. Making coffee at home, bringing your lunch to work, and taking public transportation can make a huge impact on your savings. Be aware of present bias and switch your mindset towards the bigger picture. Fifth, think long term and make your money work for you. It's not about what you can do with your money today. It's about the freedom that it provides for you in the future. Start investing and take advantage of compound interest. For example, did you know that the S&P 500 index fund is reported to offer an average return of 10% per year? Even if you only got a 5% return each year, you're talking about significant moolah over the span of 20, 30, or 40 years. Investing is about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Don't worry about appearing wealthy and avoid buying things to impress others. The quickest way to increase your savings is to increase your humility and stop buying things out of ego. And now for our final tip, something a little different. The clutter to cash strategy. This isn't just about saving. It's also about making a little extra. Look around your home. Chances are you have items you don't use or need anymore. Instead of just letting them gather dust, sell them online. This could be clothes, electronics, books, furniture, anything that has value. It's like finding hidden money within your home. Not only does it bring in extra cash for your savings, but it also declutters your space, which can bring you peace of mind. Plus, it reinforces the idea that you don't need to keep buying new things to be content. Saving money isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. By understanding your why, taming your impulses, automating your savings, tracking your expenses, thinking long term, and turning your clutter into cash, you can start to build a better financial future for yourself. These aren't just money saving tips, they are strategies for life. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you've enjoyed this video, take a moment to help us out by hitting the like button and subscribing to Savvy Sense Studio. Now go out there and hack your way to a richer life.